Welcome back. Although there are plenty of holiday dishes that are universal, you can also celebrate New England in your cuisine. Joining us here in the kitchen is Tessa Eddie Abaz from Terrazza to show us a recipe for a cod casserole, which I have to say I'm a huge seafood fan, and a cranberry fizz martini, which is so festive for the holidays. So guys, my mouth is watering. Where do we begin?
Well, we'll begin with Tessa making us cranberry.
All right, making the martini. Let's do it. What do you use to start?
You can choose your favorite orange liqueur. I brought a couple. We have Cointreau and triple sec, depending on your flavor of choice. And so we take, in here I've done already, but you puree fresh cranberries, whole oranges, and lime juice, and strain it so you get all the pulp and everything out.
Okay.
But you still have all the goodness.
Nice.
And we have a garnish of rosemary and fresh cranberries. But
you just poured it.
as far as, I'll show you right here.
Would you say that everyone at home needs one of these handy dandy containers
They're nice
to mix up their drinks?
So with a martini, it's kind of all about the shake to get the, ice crystals.
And the ingredients, which I'm sure what you were talking about, how it really harnesses all the flavor is important. So make sure you do that if you're making this at home.
So use about 2.5 ounces of your favorite vodka.
Okay.
Today we're using Tito's. It seems to be pretty popular. So you do.
Pour it in.
Yep, pour it in. A little bit more, just for the cheer.
Great.
It's the holidays. And then top it off with some of the puree. If you like a little bit extra, you can pick one of these up anywhere, TJ Maxx, wherever you like. Yep. And you can squeeze a little extra fruit in if you like. So you just
squeeze it in.
Very good. And then
mix it up. Do I want to try it? Let me put my prompter down.
There you go. It's all about the shake.
I feel like you have the magic shake.
Be aggressive.
But what do you think?
You're doing a great
job.
You
grade me a B minus?
No, you got it.
Okay.
You got it. All right. So,
that was a good shake.
That being
fine.
Strain it out.
Delicious. And do we garnish with, you can probably garnish with whatever you have at home, but definitely the cranberries are probably easy to find.
Yep, and the fizz part is just a little bit of your favorite sparkling wine, champagne, Prosecco. So you can just top it off a touch.
Awesome. Now, while you garnish this lovely martini, I am going to come join our chef over here who has been chopping some veggies. You're preparing to bake the cod. So let's just get right to it.
Yes. Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hi, my name is Eri, and we're going to make a scrod. Some people say casserole. I'm going to call it scrod al forno, which means baked in Italian, basically.
And so it's pretty easy. You have your pan here. It's preheated. We add a little bit of olive oil. Is that the first step?
Yeah, extra virgin olive oil, and we got sherry wine.
Some sherry, a couple of ingredients.
Salt, pepper, paprika, we got garlic powder, oregano, and parsley.
Awesome.
So, and also we got breadcrumbs.
Would you say this is pretty easy for people at home to make?
Yes.
Ahead of the holidays?
Very easy at home to make, yeah.
And we have the finished product here that you've seasoned with a couple of veggies.
Yes.
What do you recommend pairing the cod with? Some good old vegetables?
But yeah, like basically, like yellow squash, zucchini, and carrots, and we're gonna have a little caramelized onion. First,
great.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna put some oil, so over medium heat, and when you use a quarter of like if you have a medium onion, like you can use a quarter of a medium onion.
Now, this is something that you can tell it takes a little bit of time. So how long in total would you say it would take to cook this meal?
To cook this meal, probably like 15 minutes,
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
15 minutes and you'll have a delicious meal.
Yes.
Saute the onions.
Saute the onion first,
And then just add the cod?
No, we're gonna add some breadcrumbs.
Okay.
And
Oh, that must give it that
I'm gonna
delicious
add all the
topping look.
ingredients, you know.
Couple of ingredients.
Okay.
And for anybody watching at home, we will have this reposted to our website, westernmassnews.com. So if they need a refresher on some of the recipes, you can definitely check them out there. But it smells so good in here. Some sherry.
You want some sherry wine. And then you want to just mix her up. So now everything's ready to go in
Now,
the bowl.
is this a favorite dish that you guys have?
It's my favorite dish.
Your favorite dish?
Yes.
Well, we definitely want to try it ourselves. Thank
Yeah.
you all so much for coming on today. You finished the martini. It looks absolutely beautiful. The finished cod you can see there on your screen looks delicious. And thank you guys so much. Go check out Terrazza. And when we return,